Yeah, he's moving around. Boom!
Alright, so here is the situation. To start with, we got the dragon fruit again. Dragon fruit seemed to work the last time. Yep. So this morning, Griffin and I were at Dale Bumper's White River Refuge. We were up way before daylight, running up and down that river full of logs that you can't see. I need a better light on the boat. We didn't kill no doves. Well, we actually killed 2 wood doves. That's all we killed. So, again, we're gonna try this squirrel hunting thing. So we've stopped. Today, we've got a 16 gauge, which we don't hardly ever shoot. And I've got my 20 gauge again. It did so good last time. We're gonna get out there and see what we can do with those. All right, we've made it out here where we're gonna squirrel hunt today. Griffin has got the old 16 gauge. How did we even get this gun?
I think someone gave it to us in about 400 different pieces, and we scratched the rust off of it.
Anyhow, we got this breech load, a 16 gauge. Go ahead and load it up, Griff. It's a one-shot wonder. And Griff's wearing the camera today, so we're gonna get out. We're gonna see if we can't find some squirrels. Here we go. So we walked up and we stopped in the first place that we stopped. There was a squirrel. It was right behind us. But there's a creek that we can't cross, and we probably could have stayed there and waited him out. No way to get across the creek and get him. So we're just going to ease down the creek, and if we were to find a place we can cross, we'll probably cross and ease back up it. Y'all check this out. This is beautiful in here.
Is it hard to walk in? Another scrape.
Man, this is twice that I've been out squirrel hunting. This is January the 2nd. And Griffin's with me today, and I'm sitting here walking. Y'all remember the last time I come out walking, I walked up on a snake. It looked like an old garter snake. But today, man, this is a cottonmouth. Walked. I mean, and got new glasses, can't see squat, and just about stepped on him. You know, when I originally started putting together the YouTube channel, they told me I needed to name it Skid Marks with Sparks. I don't think that's funny. But we like to have skid marks with sparks when I about stepped on that thing.
We.
I had a mouse in my pocket. Alright, let's go find a squirrel. We're back in the truck. Other than soiling myself over a snake that I think is dead, or was dead, we're gonna go back to that same spot that I killed a few squirrels a few days ago. We're gonna get back in there and see if we can't do a little better.
We just seen a squirrel driving down the road, and I'm an absolute wonton his swanton. Peace. Oh, there's one. There's one. I guess he's in this tree.
Stay right here, I'll walk around.
All right. Oh, I see him. Oh, fall out. Shoot him. He's hit. I seen his little tail wiggle and it was over. You see what tree's in? Where? I don't even see the sucker. What?
He went all the way through his nest. That's his nest right there.
Is it? I didn't see him climb all the way up to it. He went all the way up to that last one and stopped.
I don't know. He's in it.
Did you see him get in it?
Yeah.
Oh. You want me to bust a shot up there? That nest will eventually come down, sucker. Hey, let me hit it once. Yeah, he's moving around.
Huh? There he is.
Boom! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Get you some of that, son. You are not safe.
Alright. Finally. Good girl. Big old gal, ain't it? That's a big squirrel right there. Heck yeah.
I didn't even see her jump out the tree.
Alright.
Go find her.
Well, made it back to the house, working on a short video for you guys. And you know what? We harvested 2 ducks this morning, 2 woodies, and we harvested 1 squirrel this afternoon. You know, sometimes it's not all about how much you can harvest, but it's just about spending time with those you love. You know what I mean? Had a great time with Griffin. Would do it all over again. Man, thank y'all for watching Untamed Outdoors.